Right now I want to show you how to assemble the RAM-HOL-TAB3 or Tab-Tite3 cradle. First I want to show you what's included in the package. You get this expanding spine here, which you can see there. It's spring loaded through the center of the spine that opens and closes around your tablet that you're putting into this device. Then you've got the end caps that go on either end of the spine to hold your tablet in place, and they are both exactly the same, so you've got two of exactly the same pieces there. Then you have the hardware here that connects the back of this cradle to a diamond plate, a RAM diamond plate for mounting onto a RAM mount. And then you have the smaller screws, a set of 10 smaller screws that allow you to connect these end caps onto the end of the spine. So let's put it together. So first thing to do is put these caps on the spine, but I'll just show you on the end of these caps you can just see those little black spikes. You might be able to just see them there. What they are designed to do is hold this in place to stop it moving, or just keeps it more secure in this groove system back here. So what you're going to do is place those notches into these holes, and then the other notches in this device we'll use the screws to put into those. So we'll just line up, what I'm doing here is lining up this end groove here with the end hole, and then everything else should just fall into place. So once it's in, those little notches hold it in place, and then you just have to put the screws through here, tighten them up, and that'll hold these end caps in place. So I'm going to do that first. We just need to put all these 10 screws in, and then we can put the cap on the other end, and we'll show you how it all comes together. And there's the last screw. So as you can see now, we have all 10 screws placed in here holding the end caps onto this expanding spine. So now we've done that, we can place a tablet in here by putting the bottom of the tablet in here and then lifting the top so it clips around the top part of the tablet. I'll show you how a few tablets go in here after in a different video. But the back of this cradle, as I mentioned before, has this diamond plate here, which allows you to connect a RAM diamond plate that's found on some of their mounts. So this is a suction cup mount system here I have. Just lock that down on my desk. And then you just loosen this ball and socket system. As you can see here, there's two ball and sockets here that allow this mount to really move around well on both ends. You can pivot the ball and everything else. And then that diamond plate will just connect to the back of this diamond plate here. Oops, let's take this out, might be a bit easier to show. So that goes on there like so, using this hardware that was already included with the cradle. So that goes on the back there, which would then clip into the arm, and it allows you to twist and turn this cradle however you want, in this case off of a suction cup, which might be on your windshield in your vehicle or something. And you can then portrait, landscape, whatever you want to do to put your cradle in the right location, then just simply tighten up the arm and that holds it in place. So that's how simple this cradle is to assemble, and I'll show you in a different video, as I mentioned, how it works with different tablets. So there you have it, the assembly of the RAM-HOL-TAB3.